We are at the booth of Kanaisna LLP, and here we are with the co-founder Stuti Vijay Shah.
Hi.
I'm wonderful to meet you here.
Thank you. Likewise.
Ma'am, you told us this is the first time you're exhibiting at IIGS Tritiya.
Yes.
So, firstly, we would like to know about the brand and about how you coined the name behind it.
Oh. So, Kanaisna Jewels, actually, it's a place located in South Africa, and it's actually pronounced Naisna. We called it Kanaisna. We have a niece, and we're very fond of her, me and my husband. So then we decided to name our brand behind that. And there are gold mines there situated.
Okay.
So that's how jewelry is related to Kanaisna.
Absolutely, absolutely. Wonderful name and good inspiration behind it.
Thank
That
you.
begs the question: the collections that you have, and overall, can you tell us about the brand, about the number of people who work with you, your factory overall?
Sure. So my father's been into natural diamonds, like loose diamonds trading for 35 years.
Okay.
And my husband and I, we were very fond of jewelry. And overall, we're very fond of colorful and experimental jewelry. We don't like traditional daily wear jewelry. So that is how we thought of coming up with a brand. And we started with B2B.
Right.
So now it's like my husband, my father and I, three of us, we work together. So my dad looks after diamond purchasing. My husband looks after through and throughout marketing.
Yeah.
And I look after production. And my husband and I, we look into designing.
Okay.
So the collection, when you have a look, we are totally into experimental color stones, like something that's really quirky, offbeat, but still that can be worn like on daily basis.
Okay.
And we specialize in earrings and pendant sets.
Earrings and pendants.
Yes.
Overall, where do you supply your products to?
South is our major market. Apart from South, we do it in Saurashtra area also.
Okay.
So Rajkot, Jamnagar, all those areas have been good for us.
Okay.
We supply to a couple of showrooms in Mumbai. Yeah, but main is South.
Main is South.
Yes.
That's wonderful. So this is like the 4th edition of IIGS Tritiya. Overall, what we'd like to know is how important is this show for you that you decided to participate this year? And what do you see changing in the South Indian market where the company is trying to capitalize?
Correct. So, when it comes to IIJS Tritiya, like the Bangalore show, because as I mentioned, like how we've been supplying to South, that's our major market. Every time we've come here for marketing, they've asked us, "So, IIJS mein ho kya? We'll come and visit you there." So we were very keen on exhibiting here.
Yeah.
So then that's how this is our decide, and we're really hopeful for it.
Correct.
And coming to the trends, I think in South, it's really been changing. There was a time when people really wanted those bigger golden jewelry, and of course it is still running, but it's become very occasional to occasional.
Yeah.
For daily wear, what we've seen, like with the new generation coming in, we see they're really fond of those little dainty things or diamonds. They want experimental jewelry.
Correct.
And since Bangalore is supposed to be like the hub of IT, so of course that is the modern women that we've been targeting. And if you look at my jewelry, everything ranges say from 50,000 to 3 lakhs.
Yeah.
So we don't really have anything that's really expensive, but all little tiny jewelry and daily wear stuff.
Okay. In the IIGS Tritiya Design Awards, we see Vignaharta Blossom winning one of the prizes.
Yes.
So first of all, congratulations for it.
Thank you. Thank
We would
you.
like to know the inspiration behind that particular product.
So, my husband is a hardcore believer of Ganesh ji.
Yeah.
And from last 1 year, because it's supposed to be Tuesday, Siddhivinayak, I'm from Bombay.
Right.
So every Monday we've been distributing water for Ganpati ji,
Okay.
for everybody who's going walking to Siddhivinayak. So over a period, both of us grew a lot of fondness to it. So along with it, because it was Festivals of India, and then when I read, I was considering Diwali, but then we came across Ganesh Chaturthi,
Yeah.
and we're like, we have to go for it since the entire year was all about Ganpati Bappa.
Definitely.
And then, of course, I'm sure people have done wonderful things, but just having Ganpati ji or something like that for daily wear jewelry wasn't really possible.
Yeah.
But a flower that really just, represents him,
Yes.
that made a lot of sense to us. So we tried and we won. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
And we
you.
wish you the best of luck.
Thank you so much. Lovely meeting you.
Thank you.